Have you ever wondered if the powerful financial tool you use for your business, Patriot, could also be your secret weapon for travel spending? It's a fascinating question, isn't it? We're all looking for ways to streamline our finances, make life easier, and perhaps even optimize our spending habits, especially when we're exploring new horizons. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Patriot and travel, exploring whether this robust platform, primarily known for its payroll and accounting prowess, can truly serve your needs on the road. We're going to unpack the functionalities of Patriot, examine its core strengths, and then see how those align, or don't align, with the unique demands of travel expenses. Think about it. When you're traveling, you're dealing with a flurry of transactions, often in different currencies, sometimes without immediate access to your usual financial infrastructure. Can Patriot, with its emphasis on business operations, gracefully handle this dynamic environment? For many of us who use Patriot, it's a reliable workhorse for managing employees, processing payroll, and keeping our books in order. Its intuitive interface and comprehensive features make it a go-to for small to medium-sized businesses. But travel spending is a different beast altogether. It's less about scheduled payroll runs and more about real-time tracking, categorization, and often, quick reimbursement or reconciliation. Let's first establish what Patriot is designed for. At its heart, Patriot software offers two main products, Patriot Payroll and Patriot Accounting. Patriot Payroll simplifies the complex world of paying employees, handling taxes, and ensuring compliance. It's a lifesaver for businesses looking to automate their payroll processes. Patriot Accounting, on the other hand, provides tools for managing income and expenses, generating financial reports, and keeping a close eye on your company's financial health. Both are geared towards business operations, providing a structured environment for financial management. Now, let's consider the nature of travel spending. When you're on a trip, whether for business or pleasure, your expenses can range from flights and accommodation to meals, transportation, souvenirs, and unexpected emergencies. These transactions are often ad hoc, varied, and can occur in multiple currencies if you're traveling internationally. The need for real-time tracking, easy categorization, and often, integration with other travel-related apps or services becomes paramount. So, how does Patriot stack up against these demands? If you're a business owner using Patriot Accounting, you might already be using it to track business travel expenses for your employees or yourself. In that scenario, Patriot can certainly serve a purpose. You can input travel-related receipts as expenses, categorize them appropriately, e.g., travel airfare, travel accommodation, meals, and entertainment, and even attach digital copies of receipts for record keeping. This functionality is standard for any accounting software worth its salt. It allows you to generate reports that show your travel spending over time, which is crucial for budgeting and tax purposes. However, the question isn't just can I record travel expenses in Patriot? It's can I use Patriot for travel spending in a way that truly optimizes and simplifies the process for a user on the go? This is where we need to dig a little deeper. Patriot doesn't offer a direct travel spending module in the way some dedicated expense management apps do. It's not designed to be a personal budgeting tool for your vacation, nor is it a corporate travel management platform that integrates with booking sites or corporate credit cards for automated expense capture. Think about the features that dedicated travel expense apps offer: real-time currency conversion, automatic receipt scanning, and OCR, optical character recognition, for data extraction, GPS-based mileage tracking, per diem management, and often, direct integration with corporate credit card feeds. These features are designed to minimize manual entry and provide a seamless experience for the traveler. Patriot, while excellent at what it does, doesn't inherently possess these real-time, on-the-go functionalities for individual transactions. For example, if you're on a trip and purchase something, you'd typically need to manually enter that transaction into Patriot Accounting later, or at best, save the receipt and upload it. There's no scan and categorize on the spot feature integrated into a mobile app that directly feeds into your Patriot account in real time for personal or individual travel spending. While you can access Patriot through a web browser on your phone, the interface isn't optimized for rapid, individual expense entry in the field in the same way a dedicated mobile expense app would be. So, what are the use cases where Patriot could be tangentially involved in travel spending? 1. Business travel expense reimbursement. For employees, if you're a business owner using Patriot payroll and accounting, you can certainly use Patriot to manage employee expense reimbursements for business travel. Employees would submit their expense reports, perhaps using a separate tool or spreadsheet, and then you, as the employer, would process these reimbursements through your Patriot payroll system or record them as expenses in Patriot accounting. In this scenario, Patriot acts as the final step for payment and record keeping, not the front-end tool for the traveler. 2. Sole proprietor/self-employed business travel. If you're a sole proprietor or self-employed individual, and your travel is primarily for business purposes, Patriot accounting can be a perfectly viable tool for tracking your travel expenses. You would meticulously record all your business-related travel costs as expenses within Patriot, categorizing them appropriately for tax deduction purposes. This is where Patriot's robust accounting features shine for business-related travel. You can easily see how much you're spending on conferences, client meetings, or business development trips. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.